I'm going to make a super simple sorbet using coconut milk and vanilla bean paste. You only need 4 ingredients for this. So in a jug, I'm going to add some coconut oil. This is going to help it bind and it won't crystallize. Also, for some sweetness, I'm going to use some glucose. The other reason I'm using glucose is to prevent that crystallization happening. So the coconut oil and the glucose, along with 2 cans of coconut milk. And now for that wonderful vanilla flavour, I'm going to be using vanilla bean paste. I'm going to be quite generous with it, so about 1 teaspoon, which represents about 1 vanilla bean. So now we're going to mix this together with a fork to combine all those flavours. And now we're going to freeze it. So I've got a 1 litre container and we're going to pour that in. I'll cover that just so it touches the actual sorbet. Then we'll pop the lid on and that goes into the freezer. Okay, the sorbet is ready and I like to bring it out of the freezer at least 15 minutes before serving. Just makes it so much easier to scoop. And we'll take that little cover off and let's scoop this delicious dairy-free sorbet. We'll pop that into a glass bowl and last scoop. Ooh, looks good. And that's delicious as is, or just add a few of your favourite fruits. I love raspberries and mango. There you go. What a delicious way to make sorbet. Vanilla and coconut. You can have a taste. So delicious. You really taste the vanilla through that. The best thing about it too is you can see all the little speckles. So when you give that to your family and friends, they know exactly what they're having.